this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can adjust TikTok clips. So to adjust TikTok clips, you first need to create a TikTok. So I'm going to go ahead and tap on the plus icon at the bottom in the center. That's going to take me to the TikTok camera, and I can just create a quick TikTok by holding down the record button. And I'll do one clip, a second clip, and then I'll do a third clip just like that. Now if I want to go ahead and adjust these clips, I just tap on the tick mark at the bottom right, and then you can see a menu at the right hand side of the video with a little arrow pointing down. Tap on that down arrow, or you don't actually need to do that. Right at the top it says adjust clips. Go ahead and tap on that, and then that's going to load up the 3 clips that I just recorded. Now to adjust these clips, you just need to trim however you would like it. So I can trim this video down to, let's say, there, and if I want to save that, I tap on save. Then I can go back to adjust clips. I can do the second one just like this one, so if I want it like that. And if you want to go ahead and reshoot this specific clip, you can tap on that icon on the left hand side of the trash can, tap on that, and then you can go ahead and reshoot this specific part of the clip. Tap on the tick mark at the bottom right, or you could delete the clip entirely with the trash can icon. When you're happy with your clip, tap on the tick mark at the bottom right, and you can just go through the process of adjusting all your clips. When you're happy with it, tap on save at the top right, and then you can tap on next at the bottom right, and then you can go ahead and post your TikTok video. So that is how you can adjust TikTok clips in 2021. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.